So you're a solopreneur with $1 million dream? Here's the blueprint to actually make it happen. Sound familiar? That's the life, right? Passion, drive, and a whole lot of caffeine to get it done.
But here's the thing, a whopping 70% of us get stuck, wasting time on strategies that just don't scale.
You're wearing all the hats, and that jump between feeling like a hero and total burnout is exhausting.
So let's cut through all that noise. Here's a proven framework designed specifically for you. This isn't about working harder. It's a strategic roadmap to work smarter, not just bigger.
It all comes down to 3 core principles: solid logic, your ambition, and tools you can use today.
We're going to break this journey into 3 phases. First up, building that rock-solid foundation.
That means figuring out where you stand, finding your niche, and building an offer nobody can refuse. This simple analysis helps you sidestep the pitfalls that stop 80% of solopreneurs dead in their tracks. You stop shouting into the void and become the go-to expert for a very specific, eager audience. Let's look at Alex. He was a talented designer, but he felt totally stuck. This framework changed everything. The result? He boosted his income by 60% in just 6 months, all by nailing his foundation first. Okay, foundation's built. Now it's time to pour some fuel on that fire and really drive growth. Phase 2 is all about 2 things: mastering your marketing and absolutely nailing your sales process. It's all about choosing the right channels, like email, which can convert 10 times better than social media. And get this, leveraging a few proven psychological triggers can boost your close rate by as much as 45%. All right, growth is happening. The final phase, scaling up without burning out. This part is crucial. This means scaling smart with systems, managing your money, and tracking what actually moves the needle. Imagine what you could do with an extra 20 hours a week. That is the power of automation. And look, this isn't just theory. Real people like Sarah, Tom, and Mike use these exact steps. The blueprint lays out a clear, actionable path for you to follow, literally week by week. The whole point is to transform you from someone buried in tasks to a strategic empire builder. So, the path is laid out for you. The only real question is, are you ready to go for it? And just remember, someone out there needs exactly what only you can create. Don't keep them waiting.